Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine. That's good. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 2. Its title is My Country, Pakistan. Today's lecture 4, my dear fellow teachers. This lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we will read and understand the text, and we locate text by looking at pictures and titles. We'll cover page number 15, 16 and 17 of your book. Before this, in your English primer, you have read about text and pictures together. So you have an idea about pictures and text. We'll learn further today to locate text or lessons by looking at titles and pictures. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with a beautiful hadith mentioned in Sahih Bukhari 1802, narrated by Hazrat Anas Razila Ta'ala Anhu. Whenever the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam returned from a journey and observed the walls of Medina, he would make his mount go fast. And if he was on an animal, that is a horse or a camel, he would make it gallop because of his love for Medina. Yes, my dear children, what we learn from this hadith, you understand, whenever our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is out of city and he is coming back. So how Medina was at that time? There was a boundary wall. So whenever our beloved Prophet looked at that wall, he used to rush. Oh, I want to go fast so that I can reach to Medina quickly. So what does it show? It shows his love for Medina. So to love our homeland is a beautiful sunnah of our beloved Prophet that we should follow. Yes, we do. We all love our beloved country. That is Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. That's great. So let's start with a question. All of you, what do you see in this picture? Pause the video and tell to your teacher. Yes, my dear students, I hope it was very easy. It is a beautiful picture of our flag. So let's start reading from page number 15. Beta, all of you listen carefully, because when I'll finish reading, you will read it on your own. Okay? So I'm going to start from the very first line from here. The name of my country is Pakistan. On 14th August 1947, Pakistan came into being. Yes, my dear students, there are many countries in the world. If we look at the map of the world, there are many countries, and one of them is our beloved country, Pakistan, and it came into being on 14 August 1947. We celebrate Independence Day on 14th August every year. The founder of Pakistan, and what does founder mean? Founder mean one who established something. And who established something? He is a founder, and who is the founder of Pakistan? Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the founder of Pakistan. So here we celebrate. Celebrate means we rejoice, we make, we are happy, we do different activities, we decor our houses and we celebrate it. What we celebrate? Independence. Independence means to be free. The day on which our country was free, the day on which our country came into being is 14 August. And every year on 14 August, we celebrate our Independence Day. Okay? and the founder of Pakistan, the person. But there were many people, all the Muslims of subcontinent. Inshallah, when you will be in next grade, I'll tell you the story in detail. So there were many people who worked under the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam, and that's why Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. This is Muhammad Ali Jinnah is his name, and Quaid-e-Azam was the name given to him. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the founder of Pakistan. Do you understand? There are few lines we just read. So rest of the text we'll read tomorrow. First you tell me, when do we celebrate our Independence Day? So tell the answer of this question to your teacher, and after this, teacher kindly make the students to read. Every child should read the text we just read, and be careful about the pronunciation. Pause the video and complete this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good, you are smart. Now it's a time for interactive activity. What we are going to do, teachers, you will take the answer of these questions orally from students. So beta, whenever we read something, we should read it carefully, we should listen carefully, because after that we have to comprehend. So it's the time for comprehension. Teacher, kindly take the answers of these two or maybe more questions from the students. Pause the video and do this activity. Yes, my dear students, did you tell correctly? When did Pakistan came into being? Did you answer correctly? Yes, it's 14 August 1947. And who is the founder of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Good job. So it's time for your homework. You'll practice reading the text at home, and you will list 5 singular naming words from this text, and also write the plurals of these naming words in your notebook. This is your homework, and I'm giving you the review what we have covered today. We read and understood the text. We located text and lesson by title and pictures. So in this way, we achieved our today's SLO to locate text or lesson by looking at titles and pictures. Are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.